store design and visual merchandising for building materials and furniture, supermarket chain, formats, warehouse/showroom/hybrid, line flow, planogram, model rooms for kitchen/bathroom/flooring. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll turn our one-stop shop promise into square meters, aisles, bays, and rooms that sell. We'll cover 1. Store formats and when to use each. 2. Line flow that moves shoppers from idea to basket. 3. Planogram discipline that protects margin and availability. And 4. Model rooms, kitchen/bathroom/flooring that convert inspiration into projects. 1. Store formats. Pick the right chassis. A. Warehouse, big box, inventory forward. Use when heavy building materials, high pro density, large trade baskets. Characteristics: tall racking, bulk overstock above pick faces, pallet-friendly aisles, drive-in yard or market delivery hub, pro counter by receiving. Winning metrics: fast pick times, low damage on time in full to job sites, high GMROII in bulky categories. B. Showroom inspiration forward. Use when high DIY share, decor and furniture, premium kitchens and baths. Characteristics: racetrack loop through room sets, color libraries, lighting theater, small goods in market hall, back of house fulfillment. Winning metrics: dwell time to conversion, design appointments, attachment rate services, plus accessories. C. Hybrid, the default for supermarkets of VLXD and NOI that. Use when you must serve DIY plus pro in one box. Characteristics: front half equals showroom and project streets. Back right wing equals warehouse lanes for tiles, doors, timber, appliances. Pro alley with early hour access. Unified checkout but split lanes, retail versus trade. Winning metrics: balanced sales mix, low BOPS wait time, strong attachment without sacrificing pick speed. 2. Line flow, engineer the journey, front of house zoning, left to right, front to back. Welcome and concierge, triage desk, design bookings, shop this room signage, inspiration street, model kitchens, bathrooms, living/storage, QR codes pull full, BOMS. Project corridors, bathroom to tiles to waterproofing loop, adhesive, grout, trims, leveling. Kitchen studio, sinks, faucets, worktops, backsplash, traps, valves, filters, strip lights. Paint hub centered, prep arrow tools, arrow ladders, arrow cleanup. Electrical and lighting adjacent to tools, bits, testers, PPE. Doors and hardware near security/smart locks and finishing products. Pro alley, fast lane, bulk KVIS, quotes desk, reserved loading, pallet checkout. BOPIS/dispatch, near yard, one-way vehicle flow, zero-touch staging zones. Services bar, tint desk, cut to size, design studio, installation counter. Flow patterns to choose, racetrack, single loop through inspiration arrow. Market hall arrow projects, maximizes exposure. Figure 8, 2 loops, home living and building materials with crosslinks, reduces fatigue. Grid plus power aisle, classic warehouse grid with a wide runway for seasonal/hero displays. Operational rules: power aisles stay uncluttered. End caps tell project stories, not random promos. Bulky lanes equals straight, wide, and forklift safe. Customer flow and MHE flow never cross. Signage hierarchy, department arrow subcategory, arrow decision spec size, finish rating, arrow attach prompts. 3. Planogram, where margin meets availability, role-based space planning, traffic drivers, KVI, eye level, duplicated facings, price beacons, basket builders, adjacency with KVIS, grout by tiles, traps by sinks. Image makers, hero bays for large format tiles, vanities, range kitchens, change seasonally. Profit generators, private label accessories at hand reach, strong packaging education, long tail, keep mostly online, one facing or sample book on floor. Discipline and governance, bay tags show, min-max, facings, shelf capacity, vendor code, ABC rank. Cycle counts weekly for ASKUS. Daily recovery list per aisle. Planogram audits with photo evidence. Score ties to manager bonus. End caps reserved for project stories with full attach list. Tile to adhesive plus grout plus trim plus spacers. Visual standards. Color blocking for paints and finishes. Size blocking for tiles. Battery platform blocking for power tools. Price tickets. Large for KVI. Tiered, good, better, best cards for considered purchases. QR/short link to how to videos and calculators, tile square meters, grout kilograms, paint liters, door sets. 4. Model rooms, kitchen, bathroom, flooring that sell projects. A. Kitchen studios, inspiration, design, install. Footprint, 8 to 12 room sets from galley to L-shape and island. 1 good, 6 better, 2 best. Spec logic. Door styles, slab, shaker. 2 neutrals, plus 1 trend color. 2 to 3 worktop materials, real task lighting. Attach prompts. Sinks, taps, waste systems, organizers, strip lights, splashbacks, appliances. Conversion tools, Live 3D planner, sample library, handleboard, worktop slab rack, financing desk. Service hooks, measurement booking at the set, install lead time board. B. Bathroom street, compact to luxury. Footprint, 10 to 14 vignettes. Powder rooms, family baths, premium suites, at least 1 accessibility-friendly set. Spec logic, 1-piece/2-piece toilets, space-saving vanities, concealed/exposed showers. Matching finishes across lines. Attach prompts, angle valves, traps, hoses, silicone, waterproofing membranes, mirrors, IP-rated lights. Service hooks, leak test demo video, water-saving icons, warranty wall, book a measure, QR. C. Flooring and tiles boulevard displays, large format boards by size, finish, color, PEI/slip rating clearly labeled, walk-on runway to feel textures. Decision aids, grout color bars, trim profiles, cut samples to take home, area and grout calculators. Attach prompts, adhesive families, leveling systems, cutters, palette pick faces adjacent for fast pro grabs. Golden rule for all model rooms. Every vignette has a shop this room, BOM, good, better, best. Total price, delivery, install lead times, and financing options. 5. Back of house that makes the front win. Receiving and QA bay, damage inspection lights, packaging repair kit, photo booth for claims, staging, BOPIS shelves by alphabet/time, project palettes shrink-wrapped and color-coded, market delivery hub, clear parcel versus 2-man rules, route density targets, returns triage zone, safety, MHE lanes marked, rack inspections, work at height controls, fire egress visible, waste and circularity, pallet reuse, tile offcut station, take-back cage for fixtures. 6. What great looks like, KPIs, sales in space, sales per square meter, GM ROI by bay, conversion, average basket. Availability, in-stock percent on ASKUS, BOPIS ready time, pick speed, damage rate. Experience, dwell time in model rooms, design bookings, NPS/OSAT, wayfinding complaints. Discipline, planogram compliance percent, NCAP project completeness, recovery score, safety and operations, forklift near misses, rack audit pass rate, delivery on-time percent. 7. 90-day implementation plan. Days 1 to 30, lock format per site, warehouse, showroom, hybrid. Map the line flow and zone plan. Publish the signage hierarchy and NCAP calendar. Approve role-based space for top 300 ASKUS. Write planogram specs and bay tags. Days 31 to 60. Build kitchen, bath, flooring model rooms, good, better, best. Stand-up pro alley and BOPIS staging. Train recovery and cycle count routines. Launch calculators, QRBOMS, and design booking kiosks. Days 61 to 90, audit planogram compliance. Tune facings with early sales data. Refresh 2 NCAPs per week with project stories. Run a design weekend. Review KPIs, fix bottlenecks, pick speed, damage hotspots, wayfinding. Store design is not decor. It's strategy in 3 dimensions. Choose the right format, choreograph a line flow that makes projects obvious, enforce planograms that protect price and availability, and stage model rooms that turn imagination into signed quotes. Do this with discipline, and your building materials and furniture supermarket won't just look good, it will sell harder, faster, and smarter from the first step inside to the final installed screw.